Hello from Waikiki. Thanks for watching this video. We are going to be taking you on a tour of the Aqua Palms Waikiki. The Aqua Palms is nestled right behind the Hilton Hawaiian Village and is just a 10-minute walk from the beach. Inside the lobby, you will find a business center, a DVD rental kiosk for guests to use, as well as an ATM and a concierge desk. There's also a small lounge, a coffee vending machine, and complimentary purified water. On the pool deck, you will find lounge chairs as well as a gas grill for you to use. The hotel also has a very small workout room for you to use. There's a bench inside, weights, as well as 2 machines. Parking on property is very limited and also very tight quarters. We would recommend renting a small car if you are planning on staying on this property. There are other parking levels for you to use, but parking does fill up quickly, so we would recommend coming back to the hotel as early as you can. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful or enjoyed it, please let us know in the comments below, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.